Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this episode, we're going to do a DIY picnic at home with my girls, and each one of us had a role to play in planning this picnic. Make sure you stay tuned until the end because you guys are gonna love this episode. Let me take you straight into our first activity, which is a small shopping for the picnic, and this is what we are wearing. 아무도 가질 수 없었던 내 맘을 사로잡았어 난 월화수목금토일 그때만 생각해 아침 점심 I love the thing is 또 yung babes 한번 왠지나요 오빠 저녁 새벽 종일 애타게 너는 결국 LOV is what I say Hi guys. Hi. So right now, I still have a microphone. Right now, we are going to 예감마저 들었어 널 만나던 첫날부터 아무도 가질 수 없었던 내 맘을 사로잡았어 난 월화수목금토일 그때만 생각해. So basically from my place to Dragon Mart is like 15 minutes, but we decided to save coins and use the bus, which takes like 1 hour. Unfortunately, we were on a wrong bus and we were running up and down along the way. I hope you saw those two girls. And finally, we got the right bus, which is number 50 to International City. 예감마저 들었어 널 만나던 첫날부터 아무도 가질 수 없었던 내 맘을 사로잡았어 난 월화수목금토일 그때만 생각해 아침 점심 저녁 새벽. And this is where I plug you all in. If you're in Dubai as a tourist or as a guest, now Dragon Mart is the place to be for sure. Like it's like a treasure hunt for kitchenware, lifestyle, bathroom, name them. And the prices are slashed like literally. So if you're looking for any decor pieces, yeah, name them. Anything that you want, find it right here at Dragon Mart.
The next day.
So welcome back guys. We just came from shopping. No, we just didn't come. It's another day. We did the shopping yesterday and I'm just going to unbox with you what we bought for our girls picnic. So do stay tuned until the end. Drum roll. 널 만나던 첫날부터 아무도 가질 수 없었던 내 맘을 사로잡았어 난 월화수목금토일 그때만 생각해 아침 점심 저녁 새벽 온종일 애타게 너는 결국 LOV is what I say 난 너란 바다에 푹 빠진 것 같아 나 혼자만의 착각일까 넌 나와 같아 믿고 싶어 누구. While shopping, we all had an idea what colors we would prefer for the picnic, and that's what I'm unboxing right now. One hack of going to shop at Dragon Mart, please wear comfortable shoes because the walking in there is tiresome, and also it's good to go with cash. It's easy to just pay real quick with your cash, you know. Yeah, but also card is acceptable. Anyways, let's keep going. You can see we have yellow, we have red. I think that should tell you something about what the theme of this picnic. Yeah, let me know in the comment section what do you think is the theme of this picnic. This is all that we bought for our picnic and it's about to go down. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. Next on is setting up our park. I mean, who said you need a park to have a picnic? This is our balcony, and as you can see, we've already done a little bit of cleaning, and that's the views that we're gonna have during our picnic. How good? Oh.
Yeah, so let's set it up together.
예감마저 들었어 널 만나던 첫날부터 아무도
This was our inspo, and the reason why we just decided to call it a DIY, I mean, we didn't achieve that much, but the results you're gonna see is really, really amazing and inspiring. Stay tuned. We're keeping it clean and minimal. And now let's go cook, because what's a picnic minus food? And guess who the chef is?
예감마저 들었어 널 만나던 첫날부터 아무도 가질 수 없었던 내 맘을 사로잡았어 난 월화수목금토일 그때만 생각해 아침 점심 저녁 새벽 온종일 애타
We had planned to do like 3 easy to make dishes. One of them was the pasta. The second one, chicken, which we had boiled the previous day because we knew we won't have enough time. And now I'm just getting the ingredients ready to fry the chicken. Let's continue watching. Please, if you're loving any part of this vlog, hit the like button. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And let's keep enjoying. What the hell? What is it in the clip?
너는 결국 LOV is what I say 난 너란 바다에 푹 빠진 것 같아
What? This is easy to clean.
They don't then put the rice inside. Too much.
It's a lot. Now this
And
is
today he was asking me to do this for him.
At this point, the work was overwhelming, and each one of us came through to support with one thing or the other. You can see Kate is washing up. Madonna is, packing the food into the containers, So yeah, teamwork makes the dream work. This is my highlight, and I couldn't wait to just sit down and munch on it. Anyways, let's set up the outfits of the day. We got 3 colors. Let me know which one is your favorite color in the comment section. And guess who's setting up the outfits? Madonna!
예감마저 들었어 널 만
Okay, drum rolls for some last minute setup as we reveal our outfits.
Hi, I'm the picnic decor coordinator and fashion designer. She's green.
잡았어 난 월화수목금토일 그때만 생각해
Hi guys, I'm the logistics and supplies coordinator. Stay tuned for more.
And I'm the photo and social media content creator.
Stay tuned for more. Cheers!
예감마저 들었어
If you're team yellow, say yay in the comment section. Mwah.
내 맘을 사로잡았어 난 월화수목금토일 그때만 생각해 아침 점심 저녁
Comment green if you are team green. And let's give it up for team red.
푹 빠진 것 같아 나 혼자만의 착각일까 넌 나와 같아 믿고 싶어 누구도 해
Let me tell you, this was my favorite part, by the way, and it's an idea that we got from TikTok. I don't know, that week we kept getting picnic ideas on our FYP, and this is the final setup. By the way, we were competing, like it was some sort of a healthy competition, and finally we are sitting down to enjoy the delicacies. Wow, who do you think won based on what all of us came with on the tree? A little story time. I mean, from the word go, Team Green seemed to be winning. Even the way she was doing her shopping, her selection of snacks. I mean, she was a threat right from the word go. And unfortunately or fortunately, none of the snacks were eaten. Everyone was focusing on the food. And me as the host, I had the pleasure to keep the snacks. I'm gonna eat them soon after this or later. You know what? There's something special about sharing a meal like this. I mean, it's not just about the food, it's the laughs, the conversations, the little dances. I mean, it's such a cool way to connect. Time to pop the champagne! And this is our champagne, and these girls have decided that I'm going to be the popper, so I'm gonna pop this.
들었어 널 만나던 첫날부터 아무도 가질 수 없었던 내 맘을 사로잡았어 난 월화수목금토일 그때만 생각해 아침 점심 저녁 새벽 온종일 애타게 너는 결국 LOV is what I say 난 너란 바다에 푹 빠진 것 같아 나 혼자만의 착각일까 넌 나와 같아 믿고 싶어 누구도 해야
Okay, cheers. I don't know why. Najaribu kubehave lakini I can't.
Why pombe ni kali? Well, the wine was 0% alcohol, and that reaction tells a lot. Anyways, you are free to judge us, and now we are just packing up stuff, whatever remained. We are done. Let me know in the comment section, like, what did you like about our picnic idea at home? Yo! Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video inspired your next picnic, and I'll see you in the next one. Drop a like and a comment. Bye!